Alright, this is the elevator at H&M at the shops at Columbus Circle in New York City. It's a Schindler 330A. Alright, it's a glass elevator, so you can see the elevator coming down. That's cool. Alright, let's go in. Let's go to UL. Door close button does not work. Alright. Here we are at UL. Alright. Okay. Alright, we'll go back down in a second. I'm going to pause the video once the doors close. And the elevator just left. So, oh wait. Okay. Let's go back down. I'm gonna call it back up. Let's take a look at this. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Oh, there it is. You can see the cab. Oh, someone's in there. You can see it leveling. That's cool. There's your lantern. LL. Here we are at LL. We'll take it for one more ride. Let's go up to UL. These are your Schindler HTBR fixtures. Oh, sorry. Whoops. Oh, sorry. I didn't know you were getting on. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's get a view. Let's get an indicator view. Oh, it just went into nudge mode for a second. Capacity is 4,000 pounds. Alright, here we are at UL. Huh. Oh, and here is your panel. Alright. Let's take it down again. Down here is your certificate. Alright. Here we are at LL. Alright. Alright. We'll watch the doors close. And that's it.